Transitioning from middle school to high school band performances marks a significant leap. This journey introduces budding musicians to a broader spectrum of expectations and opportunities, setting the stage for a transformative musical and personal development experience. Middle school band programs serve as the foundation, where students learn the basics of music theory, instrument handling, and ensemble performance. At this stage, emphasis is placed on cultivating a love for music and teamwork, with a gentle introduction to public performances. The move to high school band performances signifies a notable shift. Students encounter a more rigorous repertoire and increased performance expectations. High school bands often tackle complex compositions, requiring a deeper understanding of music and a higher level of technical proficiency. Rehearsal time sees a significant adjustment as students step into high school. The commitment extends beyond regular school hours, with after-school rehearsals becoming more frequent. This escalation is in preparation for more sophisticated performances and competitions. The demand for after-school rehearsals intensifies in high school, reflecting the program's enhanced seriousness. These additional hours are pivotal for mastering intricate pieces and fostering a cohesive unit, setting high school band experiences apart from their middle school counterparts. The leap from middle to high school band performances hinges significantly on the foundational skills honed during the earlier years. Middle school programs lay the groundwork in music theory and instrumental technique, which become vital as students encounter the complexities of high school repertoire. This progression not only broadens their musical vocabulary, but also prepares them for more intricate compositions and performances. In high school, the variety of music genres explored takes a dramatic turn. Students are introduced to a wider array of styles, from classical to contemporary, jazz to marching band pieces. This diversity enriches their understanding and appreciation of music, challenging them to adapt and excel across different musical landscapes. The commitment to rehearsal time sees a notable increase as students transition to high school. The expectation for after-school rehearsals becomes more pronounced, reflecting the higher level of dedication required to meet the demands of advanced performances. This adjustment is crucial for the collective improvement of the band and the individual growth of its members. After-school rehearsals in high school not only demand more time, but also a higher level of engagement and focus. The intensity of these sessions reflects the increased complexity of the pieces being learned and the precision required in performances. It's a period where students learn the value of perseverance, teamwork, and time management. The skill level required for high school band performances is a significant step up from middle school. This shift necessitates a deeper understanding of music, more refined instrumental skills, and an ability to perform more complex arrangements. It's a journey that challenges students to elevate their musicality and embrace the discipline needed for high-level performances. Leadership roles in band evolve significantly as students transition from middle to high school. Initially, students might only have small responsibilities, but in high school, they can become section leaders or band captains, guiding younger members and shaping the group's culture. Community involvement also takes a leap forward. In middle school, performances may be local and relatively low-key, but high school bands often have opportunities to showcase their talents on wider stages, participating in regional or even national events, expanding their reach and experience. The impact of band camps cannot be understated, especially as a summer bridge between school years. These camps are not only about honing musical skills, but also about team building and leadership training, setting the stage for the high school band's success. Audition processes become more competitive in high school, reflecting the higher expectations and the limited spots available for various bands and ensembles. This competitive environment encourages students to practice diligently and strive for excellence. The influence of marching band introduces a unique aspect of high school band participation. It requires a blend of musical talent and physical endurance, offering students a distinctive challenge and the chance to be part of a highly visible and energetic group. Band trips and competitions provide a platform for students to showcase their talent on a larger scale. As they progress from middle to high school, these events evolve from regional to national levels, elevating the prestige and challenge involved. This progression not only enhances their performance skills, but also offers invaluable exposure to the broader musical community. With increased participation in high-stakes competitions comes a greater financial commitment. The transition from middle to high school band involves more elaborate performance opportunities, which often require additional resources. This shift necessitates a deeper investment in students' musical education, from purchasing personal instruments to funding travel for competitions. Parental involvement takes on a new form as students advance in their band careers. While middle school might require more hands-on support, high school demands a shift towards encouraging independence, while still providing the necessary support for their burgeoning musical journey. This evolving role is crucial for the student's growth both as a musician and an individual. The social aspect of being in a band blossoms remarkably from middle to high school. The shared experiences of rehearsals, performances, and competitions forge deeper bonds among students. This environment nurtures not only their musical talents, but also invaluable teamwork and friendship skills, setting a foundation for lifelong connections. Technology starts playing a pivotal role in learning and performing music as students move to high school. The integration of sophisticated software and online resources enhances their musical repertoire and performance quality. This digital evolution not only streamlines practice routines, but also offers new avenues for creative expression and collaboration. High school band performances are not just about music, they're a stepping stone towards future careers and college opportunities. Students learn discipline, teamwork, and the value of hard work, skills highly regarded in higher education and professional settings. This experience shapes their path forward, preparing them for the rigors of college auditions and potential music careers. The journey from middle school to high school band is transformative. It's more than mastering instruments or performing at local events. It's about personal growth, building lasting friendships, and preparing for life beyond school. This progression enriches students' lives, leaving a lasting impact on their personal and academic development.